Alright, do a few casts. Trying to go some trout fishing here. Want to do a little catch and cook. I like to get like at least one, maybe 2 trout. In a conversation, this dude said that he didn't catch anything off spoons. He's using power bait, but I don't have any of that stuff. So spoons it is for me. Got him. Oh, there we go. I got a bass. Oh my god. A tiny little dink. I mean, this thing is eeny weeny. Look at that. Alright, go back in there, babe bass. This wind is really pushing me towards this bay. If I'm a little trout, I want to go near this dock right there. Maybe, just maybe, I'll be over here. I just don't know where they like to be at, you know? If I knew where these trout like to be, I feel like I'd be doing pretty well. But I feel like I'm just casting to like emptiness, you know? Like in the middle of the lake, just fucking cast it and reel it in. I'll do a cast over here. Do a few more casts and then I think I'm gonna move to a different spot. Oh, got him. Got him. I don't know what it is. It's fighting. It's a pickerel. It's a tiny little pickerel. 2 fish so far with the spoon. The spoon's not even that bad of a lure. I'm kind of like liking this spoon lure. I mean, I got small fish with it, but I assume with a bigger lure, you get some bigger fish. And you can get trout with them, which is the main target for today. But you know, I'm not mad if I catch some other fish. Besides some pickerel. I really don't want to catch any pickerel. We'll get one more cast. And then we'll move. Just so we're not, you know. Got one. Oh, I think it's a bass. It is a bass. All right. Fucking, yeah, get in. Okay. All right, calm down, calm down. Actually, listen to me. All right, a decent sized bass. Okay, let's calm down. You have a treble hook in you. I don't feel safe with this fish. The fucking pliers. It's almost up, buddy. There we go. Wow, look at you. You're a good looking fish. Thank you. I knew I was debating bringing the anchor. I went, you know, I probably won't eat it, you know? Yeah, well, I do, so. I just always bring an anchor. That's what I need to teach myself. Just always bring one. Oh, is that a fish? No, it's not a fish. It feels like a fish. Oh, whoa, it is a fish. Look at that tiny thing. Oh my god. I was like, no. It feels like a fish is on there. Look at it. A bite-sized pickerel. Oh, I got him on all 3 hooks. I do want to catch trout though. I don't want to catch pickerels only and bass. You know, I love bass and sure I love pickerel. Where is it? I don't even know where my thing went. Got him. Oh my god. Spoons are really good. Open up. There you go. Look at this bad boy. Another good sized bass. About a pound. Nothing to complain about, that's for sure. Wow. I don't think that's where all the fish would be. But I got something. Oh, wow. Another bass. Alright, let's fucking... Yeah, he's fighting. Okay. Let's get him in. Oh my lord. Fucking spoons are amazing. Yep, I'm going with the pliers on this one. Yep, perfect. Another bass. That's, I don't even know what bass number that is. We need a bass counter up here, but look at that beauty. Alright, thank you. I think I need to use spoons more. Like, I'm gonna buy a nice spoon at like Bass Pro. This is a fucking Temu spoon. Not even joking. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. Alright. We got a bluegiggy. That's a big bluegill, dude. Alright, let's calm down. Look at him. Look at him. Bluegill. Wow. I mean, I've been catching everything except for trout right now. No, not this one. It has fishing rods, like holders, and just this. But it's pretty nice. I always enjoy watching you guys out there. Yeah, it's nice. I should take up fishing. Yeah, you should. It's awesome. Yeah. Well, you're doing a good job of it. Well, thank you. You're welcome. And you can pull up on the sand anytime you want. All right, perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah. So, okay, good luck today. Yeah, thank you. There you go. She was real nice. Just do nice, slow. Oh, he came off. Oh. Shit. Got him. Oh. Was that a bass? I think that's a bass. Yeah, that's a bass. Alright. Another bass. Another bass in the books. Oh, I hooked him on the lip. Alright. Thank you very much, sir. Goodbye. We were really getting nothing here. I think there's something on here. Some weeds or something. Got him. We did it. We did it. We did it. Whoa, 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 whoa. We did it! Got a first ever trout. Hell yeah. And this is a good sized trout. All right. Look at this beautiful trout right here. It's so beautiful. In case that you decide to drop my pliers.
My pliers?
No, my pliers, because they're mine now. Because that's why I brought two.
Oh, dew camp starting. Yeah, grab it. Grab it. It's better out here. It's a little guy. It's a little guy.
There you go. Yep. There you go.
W netting.
Thank you.
W netting. Where's your
Oh, that's a good cast. Got him. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Boat flip.
He's right here.
I know, I'm trying to get him in. There we go. It's a little dude. A dink. It's not 5 pounds. Kind of beautiful though. Goodbye. Up with anything? What's up?
No.
Alright. Oh damn. Oh! Yeah. Oh, oh! Yeah. Yep. Dude, look at that pass. There we go. He's a fighter. They're hitting it. Yep. Oh my god. Yo, grab the net. I don't know. He's fucking fighting. There we go. There we go. I don't fucking know. It's probably a bunch of weeds.
Cause I can't get you out of my brain these days, even for
Are they going? Yep. Get out of the weeds.
Let it fall, bro. Stop punching the ball. Let it move in. There you go.